Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Laquinas Tokaijah, your favorite stay-at-home mom, serial entrepreneur, self-proclaimed beauty and fashion blogger, and DIYer. Hey. I often get comments like, it must be so great to be able to braid your own hair. So today I wanted to share some of the pros and cons of being a DIY braider. As some of you may know, I used to be a licensed cosmetologist and makeup artist and even a salon suite owner. For years I've been braiding my own hair and also braiding other people's hair, so it's kind of something that I'm used to doing. The most obvious pro is going to be the savings. I can braid my hair as small or as long as I choose because I'm never worried about the price. As a former licensed cosmetologist and full-time braider, I understand exactly why braiders charge what they do, but sometimes I ain't got it. Now my second pro is going to be tension. After braiding my own hair, I'm rarely in any pain because I can control the tension placed on my follicles. Being someone that suffers from slight traction alopecia around the edges, it's important to me that I do not experience too much tension. In this stage of social media marketing and exposure, these braiders be booked and busy. When I braid my own hair, I don't have to worry about anyone else's schedule and obligations except my own, meaning I can start and stop when I want. P.S. This is also a con, but we'll get to that later. Pro number 4 is going to have to be environment. This is the most important pro. Being someone that suffers from debilitating anxiety, I have to be able to 1. Control the atmosphere, or 2. Trust that I am in a safe and peaceful environment. Now let's explore our cons. Con number 1 is going to have to be timing. Although I can plan my own schedule, this can take days, hence the change of clothes. Con number 2 is what I would consider to be what holds a lot of people back from becoming DIY braiders, and that's going to be neatness. Most of the time, the parts and braids are not as neat as I would like them to be. Con number 3 is kind of a case-by-case situation, but it's going to be body aches. The neatness is mainly affected by the fact that I'm trying to get done fast enough to avoid cons 3 and 5. Having been a braider since I was only 13 years old, my body has taken a lot of wear and tear. My fingers and wrists often cramp in prolonged braiding sessions. Con number 4, limited styles. All of my cons affect one another in one way or the other. I am often limited by the styles I know how to do and the styles my body will allow me to do. Finally, we have con number 5, distractions. Unfortunately, unlike leaving the house and going to a salon to be a client, at home I am still mom, girlfriend, and pet owner. These distractions can often prolong the process. At the end of the day, although I have more cons than I have pros, the value of my pros far outweigh my cons, and I see myself being a DIY braider for a very long time. If you are or would like to become a DIY braider, please share your pros and cons in the comment section below. If you haven't already, please like this video and share it with your friends. And also subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you do not miss any of my uploads Monday and Wednesdays before 12 a.m. If you haven't already, go follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I will leave the links to my social media sites in the bio of this video. Your support is appreciated, and I will see you all in my upcoming video. Peace.